it's Phoebe with your daily dose of banjo. Today I am gonna play Red Prairie Dawn, which is a new tune. I don't believe I've played it here before. I'm still working on it, but I think I've got it mostly together cohesively as a tune, so I'm gonna play it now. I am in D, which is C tuning capoed up to D. And sorry if the lighting is bad. The electricity went out in my shed, so I have one lantern and then just the windows doing my lighting, so the lighting might shift throughout this, but you don't need electricity to play the banjo, and as long as the drinking birds still work, we're all good. Okay, here's Red Prairie Dawn. Okay, that's Red Prairie Dawn. I have the basics of it down. I want to incorporate a tempo change into it. I'm doing this with my ensemble too, so I think as we solidify our group arrangement, I'll have more things to put into this solo version. Um, but yeah, I'm excited to see where this tune can go once I practice it up a little bit more, but very fun tune. I think it's got a really fitting name. It does make me think of a dawn, because it gets louder. It's just very pretty. Yeah, but that is all for now. Thank you for coming to your daily dose of banjo. Stay well, and I will see you next time. And hopefully, we'll have electricity so I can turn my fish lamp on in the background. Goodbye.